your hat and your sunglasses. We will exit at the left side.
That's a foreigner shot now, guys. Set of foreigners going to enter the Quiapo Church. Another foreigner here. We're gonna enter the Quiapo Church. Hi guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Quiapo. Kasi papalitan ko yung old eyeglass ni Smart Kid. So as you can see, there are so many visitors right now. They're being oriented on how to enter the church. Ako sa Plaza Miranda. Kasi magpapalit ako dito, ako papalit. Dito tayo sa